What's up guys, back here with another video. I'm going to be installing some LEDs on my Ram. It is a 22 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel. It has the V6 3.0 and it's the Bighorn edition. So what I have here is the low beam, high beam, and fog lights, and it's going to be the Lasfit LED bulbs that I'm going to be installing inside of them. So there's the headlight, that's the low beam, high beam, and fog light. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so right here is the fog light, and that's the LED that I just put in. I'm gonna go ahead and put a tie strap on here so it's not gonna be wiggling around. Alright, so right here is where the high beam goes, and right in here, right behind here, can't really see it from here, but right behind here, right there is where the low beam goes. That's low beam and high beam. So let's go ahead and swap those out. Alright, so I got them all done. These are the 6K LEDs. There goes the fog light and the low beam there. Here's the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the high beam now. There's the low beam and the high beam on. And these are 6K LEDs. These look way better than the stock yellow halogens. When you put the high beams on, the fog lights go off, but the high beam and the fog lights are the same size bulb, so I don't know how much of a difference it makes. But there it is. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.